to the next question in DILR section. In this question, there are a couple of graphs given, and there is some information about crimes in 10 states. And it's stated that there are three types of crimes, namely IPC crimes, SLL crimes, and other crimes. And out of the 10 states, the data for 9 states has been given for all the crime categories, and it has been stated that the remaining state, which is West Bengal, where all the 520 cases were registered, were SLL crimes. So West Bengal had no IPC crimes. They had 520 SLL crimes and no other crimes. So this is the data that is being given. Now let's go straight to the questions. The first question says, what is the rank of Kerala in IPC crimes category? Now in the question, it is or rather in the passage, it has been stated that the ranking system is based on the number of crimes that happens, and any state having a larger number of crime cases registered will have the smaller rank. So if suppose a state has 100 crimes and a state has 90 crimes and 100 is the max, then this state becomes 1, and if 90 is the second max, this becomes 2, and if another state has 90 crimes, then this also becomes 2, and then if another state has 85 crimes, then this state becomes 4. So this is the logic in which the ranking system is done. So now let's look at the number of IPC crimes in Kerala. So in Kerala, as you can see, the number of IPC crimes is this, so which is very close to 10. And the number of IPC crimes in Kerala is very close to Maharashtra and Karnataka. And Maharashtra and Karnataka are around 15-16. So let's see what the other table says. So in the other table, you can see that Maharashtra is number 3 in IPC crimes, and Karnataka also is number 3, and Telangana is number 6. So we can see these three states. Let's go back to the first graph. So Telangana is about 5 crimes, is about 5 IPC crimes. Kerala is about 10, and Maharashtra and Karnataka, they're about 15 each, roundabout. So Maharashtra and Karnataka are both number 3 in IPC crimes. Telangana is 6. So only Kerala lies in between. There is no other state which is in between Maharashtra, Karnataka and Telangana. So therefore Kerala will be after 3 and 3, which means both third and fourth places are taken up by Maharashtra and Karnataka. Then Kerala will become 5, and Telangana is 6. So Kerala's rank would be 5, just behind Maharashtra and Karnataka and just ahead of Telangana. So rank of Kerala in IPC crimes is 5. Let's look at the next question, which is question number 60. It says, in 2 states where the highest total number of cases are registered, total number of cases, the ratio of the total number of IPC crimes to the total number of SLL crimes is closest to. Now let's see which are the 2 states which are having the highest number of cases. Now from the graphs of the 9 states, we can see that Delhi is the highest of a total number of cases of around 142, and West Bengal is given as having a total number of cases of 520. So no other states is close to this. So the top two states in terms of crimes are Delhi and West Bengal. And in West Bengal, it is said that all 520 cases are SLL cases. So the ratio of total of IPC cases is to SLL cases in these two states would be about 60 is to SLL would be about 40 for Delhi and 520 for West Bengal. So this is roughly around 60 is to 560 or 1 is to 9, round about that, because we made some approximations here. So let's see if there are any options that are close to that. So in the options we see that the first option is 11 is to 10, this is ruled out. Second is 19 is to 20, ruled out. Third is 1 is to 9. This is the closest one. So we'll take this. And fourth is 3 is to 2. This is also ruled out. So 1 is to 9, as we can see, is closest to 60 is to 560 that we calculated with some approximation. Going to question number 61, which of the following is definitely true about the ranks of the states or union territories in other crimes category? Now we are given the ranks of two states, Tamil Nadu and Pondicherry. Tamil Nadu is given as 2 and Pondicherry as 3. So let's see what the graph and table has to say. So in the table we can see that Pondicherry other crimes is not given, and Tamil Nadu other crimes is also not given. So we have to depend on the graph to figure that out. So other crimes, we see Tamil Nadu is about 25 to 65. So this is around 40 cases of other crimes, and Pondicherry is around 30. And the only state that I can see more than this is Delhi, which has about 45 cases. So it is just below 100 and just above 140. So roughly about 45 cases. So this would be number 1. Delhi would be number 1. And Tamil Nadu would be number 2, and Pondicherry would be number 3. So this would be the order. So Tamil Nadu 2 and Pondicherry 3 would be the sequence. So we are given that Tamil Nadu is 2 and Pondicherry is 3. So both are correct. So option 1, both 1 and 2 are correct. Next we go to question number 62, which says, what is the sum of the ranks of Delhi in the 3 categories of crimes? So let's see what rank Delhi gets in the 3 category of crimes. So we can see from the graph itself that for IPC crimes, Delhi is the leader, or Delhi's rank is 1 for IPC crimes. Delhi is 1. For SLL crimes, we can see that Delhi is close to about 35. It is in between 60 to 70, which is 65 and 100. So Delhi is 35, and we are given West Bengal as 520. So West Bengal is number 1, and we can clearly see Karnataka as the leader here, which is close to about 60 cases. And the other close ones are Maharashtra, which is 50, and 50 and about 15. So this is around 35 as well. Now this we take a closer look. So this is around 62 or 63, and this is 100. So this is around 38, a little more than that. So it is ahead of Maharashtra, and it is definitely behind Karnataka. And we can also have a look at Goa. So Goa is about 60 to 28 to 60 is about 32. So Delhi is just above Maharashtra and Goa, and definitely below Karnataka. So Karnataka will be 2 and Delhi will be 3. So in SLL cases, Delhi is 3. And again, in other crimes, it is very clearly evident that Delhi is the leader. The closest one is Tamil Nadu, which would be around 40, and Delhi is more than that. Delhi is less than 100 to more than 140. So this is around 45 or so. So Delhi rank would be 1. So for others, Delhi would be 1. So the sum of the ranks of Delhi would be 3 plus 1 plus 1 or 5. So let's go back to the question. So sum of the ranks of Delhi in all 3 category of crimes would be 5.